Hi everyone, here is your week 1 introduction to the course, kind of instructions for what to complete for week 1. So just a couple of things. I post a to-do list each week, so that will be helpful. Also, this video will be posted so that you can see it and kind of go through the assignments. So we're going to start with the to-do list. And so it says for a couple of things. First, watch the intro video in week 1, which I'm assuming you have done since you're now watching me. Purchase your PLT book. So here up at the top of our Canvas site, you'll see the purchase link. It's $10. Go ahead and purchase it. You will not get access right away. They will send you an access code to your Woo email. Make sure that you are checking it and that you check your spam folder. You should get it within 48 hours of purchasing it. I do need you to do that this week because we'll be using it very shortly in class. If you have any problems with the textbook, please let me know. Once you get your access code, there's a link here that gives you detailed instructions of how to use your access code and then get to your electronic version of this textbook. Okay, so now on to week 1. So our to-do list, back to it, it actually also lists all of your assignments and what you need to complete for this week. So the first one is you're going to introduce yourself using Flipgrid. So if you go back to our Canvas site, you notice under assignments, there is the assignments here that you need to complete. So introduction form, Flipgrid, if you click on that, it will take you to place where you can join. You're going to want to join with Google. It'll ask you to sign in with your Woo email. So if you sign in with that, of course it's saying that I'm not allowed, but I have actually looked at this from the student's perspective here. Let's see. So this is what you should get when you sign in, and it'll say introduce yourself. Give me your preferred name and where you are currently living. What is something we should know about you, and why did you become a teacher? Anything else you want us to know interesting about us? So to respond to these, you're going to record a response. It'll bring up a little video camera. So you have to do this on your phone or on a laptop that has a video lens or camera. Okay, so that's the first task to complete this week. So complete your video. And then the second task is read through the syllabus and complete the scavenger hunt. So the syllabus is also linked on our Canvas site. Let me go back to that. So you can see at the top here is our syllabus. So read through that, and then under assignments, you're going to do a scavenger hunt. It's a quiz, 5 questions. You got plenty of time to complete it. You actually can do it twice if you miss a question. And so I just want to make sure you understand how the course is graded and some important things from the syllabus. Okay, so that's your second assignment. Pretty easy so far. The third assignment is when you start getting into the content. So you're going to review some resources on Canvas for NGSS, which stands for the Next Generation Science Standards. Those are the standards that we use to align our science instruction in elementary, middle, and high school in Oregon. So on Canvas, you'll see below, well, first I want you to do this part. So read, watch, and listen. So these 3 are videos. So I want you to take a look at those. And then I want you to actually all of these are videos, sorry. Giving you kind of a brief overrun of, why is what is NGSS? Why is it important? And you'll want to take some notes so that you can answer the questions on the quiz. And then these are the resources that the quiz will be over. There's additional resources that I want you just to skim through, but you don't have to read these in depth or take notes on them. These are just, we'll be talking about these more later. So these are the ones that you have to read or listen to, and that will be, you'll be quizzed on using this quiz. So again, this quiz is due by the 27th. It's 5 points. I think it's 5 questions, and you get to take it up to 2 times. So if you don't get all of it correct the first time, you can take it again. And then, and so that's just to give you some brief background on the standards that we'll be using to plan science instruction. The other thing you're going to be learning about this week is the 5E model of instruction. And so you're going to be doing a discussion post. That's so your initial discussion is due the 25th. So that's Friday, the first week. So you're going to have to get on that. And then you'll respond to one classmate by the 27th. So you're going to learn about the 5E resources by looking at this information here. And I actually have provided you with some information on the to-do list. It says watch the first 2 videos, take notes using the template provided and attached to the assignment, and then watch one of the first grade videos use the notes. So there is a template that you'll be completing. This is what it looks like. So it asks you, what are the 5Es? And then after watching one of the 2 first grade videos, you're going to try to see where is the teacher actually using the 5Es and see if you can pick out at least a couple of them. Okay, so that's what you will be doing, and I will attach this template in the discussion forum so that you have it, or it will be in the resources, one of the 2. So that's your to-do list for week 1, quite a bit to do. Remember, this is a 6-week class, so we're doing multiple assignments each week, and I am happy to help. If you run into any trouble, email me, send me a text, or sign up for office hours. Don't text me, please, and or call and leave me a message, and I'll get back to you. I'm happy to schedule a phone call, a Zoom meeting, or anything else if you need further instructions for week 1. That's what you will see each week, and hopefully that will give you enough information to complete the assignments. So I will see you next week for week 2.